IFundWomen is disrupting and completely changing the way early stage startups founded by women are getting funded.
We are raising funds on IFundWomen to bring Maya to market.
To grow the outdoor ninja community.
To bring healthy superfoods to the Boston area.
To build a V1 experience of the app.
To complete the first production run of my line.
We need our first 100 users for this beta test to build our first immediate, lower cost option for families displaced from house fires.
I'm building it.
IFundWomen has given me so many tools to be able to successfully do my crowdfunding, and crowdfunding is absolutely important to me being able to make Stroll Runner a reality and bring it to market.
The IFundWomen team have been really instrumental in navigating the challenges of crowdfunding.
We also really like their pay it forward business model.
I love the idea of having the support of many other women entrepreneurs that are doing the same thing as me, which is trying to change the world with their ideas.
This is my way of putting my stamp on the world.
And I don't think that I could have done it without them.
So join our tribe and keep hustling.
I'll see you there.